Namaskar, everyone. Welcome to the Rang Barse event of CAMS Charity. Let's all get started. A lot of you all have joined in. So thank you, everyone, for joining this beautiful, holy event, Rang Barse, brought to you by CAMS Charity. I am Aparajita Swain, founder of CAMS Charity. Thank you to each one of you for being here today with us. We are pleased to welcome all of you and have you supporting CAMS Charity since the past year, as well as all of you who have joined us new. Welcome to the CAMS Charity family. Today, due to the virtual nature of this program, we are super excited to have audiences joining us from 20 plus countries and supporting CAMS Charity's mission and cause. CAMS stands for Kind Acts to Mankind through Selfless Service. When the pandemic hit and lockdowns were enforced around the globe, there were a lot of people who were dispersed and industries that suffered tremendous loss. One such industry was the entertainment industry. Now, I'm not talking about the big Bollywood or Hollywood or Tollywood industries. I am talking about all our amazing and super talented artists who depend on a daily, weekly, monthly shows, personal events, small corporate events to make a living. What had started out as a personal seva for Sanjeev and me for many years now blossomed into this young, vibrant organization and growing with the kind support of all our selfless volunteers around the globe. CAMS Charity mission is to continue promoting and helping underserved and underprivileged artists, children around the globe, and also make an effort to revive the dying art forms of India. A quote that stuck with me and has always inspired me is, "A person without the knowledge of their past history, origin, or culture is like a tree without roots." CAMS mission will always be to encourage our future generations to come forward, participate, help, and promote our culture and feel proud of our thousands of year-old ancient heritage. I will quickly update you on the agenda for today. Right now, we will go on and introduce our chief guest as well as our keynote speaker, followed by our super talented playback singer, Sasmita and Sangram, who will entertain you with their beautiful Holi and Bollywood songs and take you down a nostalgic path. And then we will have a short break, followed by the much awaited Palla. The Palla, that is the dying art form of Orissa. Today, it is a great honor and privilege for CAMS Charity family to introduce our chief guest for the event and an esteemed advisor to CAMS Charity, Dr. Abhay Asthana ji. Dr. Abhay ji is a fellow at Nokia Bell Labs, CTO directing research in cognitive self-reliable networks of the future, networks that continuously learn on their own and heal themselves. Earlier, he led the design of VLSI processors at Intel. He got his bachelor's degree in electrical engineering from IIT Kanpur, where he went back to teach from 1983 through 1985. Outside of science and technology, Abhayji's passion is to learn about Hindu Dharma and history, practice it, and pass it on to our future generation, our children. His mission is to help Hindus living in America remain Hindus, and through their lives contribute to the richness of their adapted land. He is the chairman of the World Hindu Council of America, VHPA. Without further ado, I would like to welcome among us Dr. Abhay Asthana ji and request him to kindly say a few words. Over to you, Dr. Abhay ji.
Thank you, Julie, for a very generous introduction. Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. It is my honor to be with you all today and share a few thoughts. Bharatvarsh is a powerhouse of performing arts. It has always been known as the land that portrayed cultural and traditional vibrancy through its arts and crafts. The 35 states and union territories sprawled across the subcontinent have their own distinct cultural and traditional identities that are displayed through various forms of art prevalent there. Every region has its own style and pattern of art that is colorful and multi-hued. The folk theater culture and dance dramas based on the Itihasas and Puranas bring their own beauty. The Pala dance of Odisha, as Julie mentioned, that you will be seeing today, is an example of that. We are proud of our art, architecture, sculpture, music, painting, dance, drama, and literature. But we seldom consider the fact that this great wealth of artistic, literary, and scientific heritage will die if the Hindu society which created it is not there to protect and sustain it. But the reverse is also true. Hindu culture must survive if Hindu society is to survive. Hindu society would no more be Hindu society if it lost its unique culture. But sadly, that is precisely what is happening today in the world, drowning in the glitz, glare, and pomp of Bollywood and Hollywood. Countless traditional art forms and cultural activities seen to be less lucrative, less flashy, less trendy are being abandoned all over the country. Others are being severely compromised in order to make them lucrative and trendy. This compromise is in materials or techniques used, shoddiness in workmanship or performance, and the use of shortcut methods. This compromise results in loss of natural spontaneity, cultural authenticity, loss of technological expertise, and loss of performance satisfaction, as any artist will tell you. And this gradually leads to the degradation and further abandonment of traditional and rare art forms and cultural activities. So in this background, CAMS Charity's vision to promote dying art forms of Bharat and provide help to the struggling artists is laudable indeed. There are countless talented but unknown artists who make their living by providing entertainment at small gatherings and private shows. Many are families of daily wage earners who have lost their livelihood due to the Corona-19 pandemic. CAM's mission is to empower such unknown, underserved, and underprivileged artists in Bharat by providing them avenues and financial help to pursue their passion for learning and practicing an art form of their interest. Once again, I am so privileged to be here. My wishes to all of you and special blessings to the CAMS team. Enjoy the program. Hari Om.
Hari Om, Abhay-ji, and thank you so much to be present among us. It is a deep honor and privilege for us. Thank you. Next, we would like to introduce our keynote speaker for our event, Dr. Rajinder Pal Singh from Manchester, UK. Rajinder ji is born and brought up at Bhubaneswar, Cuttack. He completed his MBBS degree from SCB Medical College, Cuttack, Orissa. He completed his MS from AMU Aligarh in general surgery through All India National Selection. He worked for a few years in Amritsar and Bhota, Himachal Pradesh, and then left for the UK in 2003. He obtained his MRCS certification from the Royal College of Surgeons in Edinburgh. He did his fellowship in abdominal multi-organ transplant of kidneys and the pancreas from Wake Forest University, North Carolina, and fellowship of liver transplant from University of Minnesota. Since 2011, he has been working as a consultant transplant surgeon in the NHS hospitals in UK. He was given many prestigious awards, such as Young Investigator Award, granted by the American Society of Transplantation, and received a gold medal for his clinical research. He promotes cadaveric organ donations with the Asian communities in UK and specializes in dual kidney transplants and pediatric en bloc kidney transplants. Rajinder ji speaks fluent Oriya and is passionately promoting our beautiful Oriya art and culture and is a fabulous singer. Let's put our hands together to welcome Dr. Rajinder Pal Singh ji. Rajinder Pal Singh ji, over to you. Can someone make Rajinder ji the co-host, please?
बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद. Thank you for the illustrious introduction. I'm a very small person and I'm only great because of the love of people of Odisha, and whatever I have achieved is due to the blessings of Lord Jagannath and the teachers of SCB Medical College, Cuttack, and also my friends who have helped me when I used to live in Bhubaneswar, and I'm right now sitting in my house in Satyanagar in Bhubaneswar. What a pleasure. बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद समस्तଙ୍କୁ जय जगन्नाथ. Firstly, it's an honor for me to speak about Pala. ମୁଁ ଯେବେ ଛୁଆ ଥିଲି, ଛୋଟ ଥିଲି, ତ ଆମ ସତ୍ୟନଗର ଭିତରେ there was a place ଯୋଉଟାରେ ସମସ୍ତେ ପାଲାର ଶୋ ଆମେ ଦେଖୁଥିଲୁ, ଦଶକାଠିଆ ବି ଆମେ ଦେଖୁଥିଲୁ. ଏ ସବୁ ଶୋ ଗୁଡାକୁ ଦେଖି ଦେଖିକି ଆମେ ବଡ ହେଇଛୁ. पर अब for some reason Pala has become a dying art. और इससे दिल को बहुत चोट पहुंचती है, बहुत अफसोस होता है. पाला जो है ये उड़ीसा का कल्चरल एम्बेसडर है. ये हमारे लिटरेचर को सेफगार्ड करता है और ये एंटरटेनमेंट और स्पिरिचुअलिज्म इन दोनों का ब्लेंड है. पाला का जो ओरिजिन है उसमें सत्यनारायण जी की पूजा और सत्यपीर की पूजा होती है. ये उड़ीसा के ट्रेडिशनल लॉर्ड जगन्नाथ की पूजा होती है और ये उड़ीसा के कल्चर को रेस्ट ऑफ द इंडिया के साथ में ये लिंक करता है. इवन ड्यूरिंग द टाइम ऑफ मुस्लिम एग्रेशन, उस वक्त पाला जो है इसने मुसलमानों के साथ में भी लिंक जोड़ा. जो मुसलमानों के बड़े बड़े पीर होते थे उनको भी बहुत प्यार था. जो हाई लेवल के स्पिरिचुअलिज्म को अडॉप्ट करते हैं तो वहां पर भगवान और अल्लाह में कोई डिफरेंस नहीं रह जाता. और पाला वहां तक भी उसने रीच पहुंचाई थी, और पाला ने अपना हैंड ऑफ फ्रेंडशिप दिया था, जिसकी वजह से उस जमाने में इवन सत्यपीर जो मुस्लिम लोग कहते हैं वो भी इसमें एमएलगेमेट हुए। सो पाला जो है ये एक छोटा आर्ट नहीं है, ये एक उड़ीसा का इतना पावरफुल लिटरेरी मैसेज है जो ना कि उड़ीसा को रेस्ट ऑफ द इंडिया बट उड़ीसा को थ्रू द डिफरेंट रिलीजियस एंड कल्चरल बैरियर्स पूरी मैनकाइंड को ये जोड़ता है। और सबसे बड़ी बात तो ये है कि पाला में एक इंटेलेक्चुअल जो अचीवमेंट है वो दर्शाई जा सकती है। थ्रू द पाला यू शो हाउ इंटेलेक्चुअली gifted you are and at the same time how spiritual you are. So it gives the thorough blend of the whole thing into the society. कैसे है, दो टाइप के होते हैं, एक होता है पोठी पाला जिसमें बैठ के करते हैं, एक गायक होता है बीच वाला, और साइड में सराउंडिंग सपोर्टर्स होते हैं जो पोथी पाला जिनको कहते हैं, और वो ड्रम्स भी बजाते हैं, सिम्बल्स भी बजाते हैं, और एक बहुत सुंदर नाटक के रूप में ये चलता है। अब ये कहना जरूरी है कि पाला एक डांस जरूरी नहीं है, पाला इज एन आर्ट, इट्स अ सिंबल ऑफ ओडिया आर्ट, जिसमें कि डांस और म्यूजिक का बहुत बड़ा मिश्रण है। और फिर ठिया पाला भी होता है जिसमें जो मेन गायक होता है ही स्टैंड्स अप एंड ही डज द रिसाइटेशन एंड इज सपोर्टेड बाय द रेस्ट। और पाला का पीक तब होता है जब पाला आपस में कंपटीशन करते हैं, और कभी कभी वो ऑडियंस के साथ में भी एंगेज करते हैं। सो थ्रू द पाला द फोकलोर ऑफ ओडिशा, the traditional folklore of Lord Jagannath, the different mythological stories, सत्यनारायण की जो स्टोरीज भी हैं, वो सारी चीजें इसमें दर्शाई जाती हैं। इसलिए आप सबों का ज्यादा टाइम न लेते हुए मेरी विनती है, I would like to beseech you all that we should not let this art of Pala to die away. At the current point of time, due to modernization, television, media, most of the people, they are our youngsters, they are basically more drawn towards entertainment media. We are going to watch more of the cinema, the TV, etc. However, this intellectual aspect which can serve as a beautiful bridge between the old and the young generation of Pala, this needs to be rejuvenated and this needs to be reinforced. अगर ये हम प्रॉपर तरीके से करेंगे तो हमारे बच्चों के साथ में हमारी जो बॉन्डिंग है ये बढ़ जाएगी, और हम अपने बच्चों को अपने ट्रेडिशन के साथ में हम जोड़ सकते हैं। सो आई थिंक इट इज हाई टाइम कि हम जो पाला है इसको, जो उसका पेडेस्टल है उसको दोबारा दिलाएं। आमे समस्ते चेष्टा करिबा जे ए जो डाइंग आर्ट अछि पाला आमे समस्ते ताकू आउथरे रिजुविनेट करिबा। एटा ए जो रेस्पॉन्सिबिलिटीटा अछि, ए जो दायित्वटा अछि, एटा आमर, एटा आम पय आउ किए करिबो नाही। बेंगल रे भी पाला चलीथिला किंतु बेंगल भी एबे एते से माने चेष्टा चले नांती जे पाला जोटा डाइंग आर्ट अछि ताकू आमे केमति रिजल्ट करिबो। मु बहुत ग्रेटफुल अछि ए कैंप मीडिया रे जो माने ए जोटा नै छंती आउ आकू गोटे ग्लोबल प्लेटफॉर्म रे ए मैसेज दो छंती जे पाला जोटा की गोटे डाइंग कल्चर अछि ताकू हमकु रिजुविनेट करिया पड़िबो। 10 काठियाटा भी सिमिटी गोटे भाबरे बाहर थिला, बट 10 काठियाटा टिके हॉस्टिलिटी शो करथला जब different cultures were trying to encroach upon each other. On the other hand, पाला जोटा एटा message of love ता देची पूरा वर्ल्ड को through the traditional ओडिया folklore. So बेसी समय न नहीं कि मो समस्त को प्रार्थना करूची जे समस्त चेष्टा चलेबा आ आमे ए पाला जोटा कि गोटे डाइंग आर्ट अछि हम ओडिसा रो ताकू आमे बुडीवा को देबा नाही, आमे समस्त ताकू सहायता करिबा, जेते फोरम रे ताकू आमे करि परिबा एप्रिशिएट करिबा। जेते पालारो सिंगर्स गुड़ा अछंती, गायक माने अछंती, जो माने से मृदंग बजांती सब माने अछंती, आमे से समस्त को डाकी की यूके रे यूएस रे आमो कॉस्ट रे ताकू सम्मानित करिबा। एंड इवन आई एम वेरी मच appreciative of the efforts done by the camp. I am also personally willing to fund it to help that the Pala culture should not die. And आउ ये जो great singers माने अछंती जो माने पाला को एबे धरि कि रछंती धरित्री टाकू सेही माने जो माने धरित्री को धरि छंती तांको फंडिंग करि के सहायता करे पाए मु भी प्रस्तुत। आ हम समस्त सांग को भी मु प्रार्थना करी विनती करती जे समस्त आसी की आकु सहायता करतु। सेति कहे कि मु बेसी समय नेबिनी समस्त कल्चर प्रोग्राम देखा पे बसचंती। समस्त को बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद। जय जगन्नाथ।
Thank you so much, Rajinder ji. And thank you for carving time out. We know you are in India and you traveled, and thank you so much for joining us today.